Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for your heart health, literally. We're talking about your arteries, those vital highways that deliver blood throughout your body. And just like any busy road, they can get clogged over time, but don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll be exploring the top foods that can help clean your arteries naturally. Let's kick things off with a fan favorite, avocados. Now I know what you're thinking. Avocados? Aren't those full of fat? Yes, but it's the kind of fat monounsaturated fat to be precise. This heart-healthy fat can actually help lower your LDL cholesterol, often referred to as the bad cholesterol. Think of LDL cholesterol like gunk that sticks to your artery walls. Avocados help clear that gunk out, keeping your arteries nice and smooth. Next up, let's cast our nets and reel in some fatty fish. We're talking salmon, mackerel, tuna, sardines. These underwater wonders are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Now, omega-3s are like the superheroes of the heart world. They work tirelessly to reduce triglycerides, another type of fat found in your blood that can contribute to artery clogging. Plus, omega-3s help lower blood pressure and prevent those pesky blood clots that can spell trouble for your arteries. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Your heart will thank you. Time for a snack break, and what better choice than a handful of nuts? But not just any nuts. We're talking about almonds, walnuts, and other nut varieties that are brimming with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. These tiny powerhouses are like little scrub brushes for your arteries, helping to lower LDL cholesterol and reduce inflammation. Remember, inflammation is a major culprit in artery damage, so keeping it in check is crucial for maintaining healthy blood flow. Chapter 4. Let's add a splash of color to our artery cleaning menu with some delicious berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. These vibrant fruits are packed with antioxidants, which act like little warriors fighting off those nasty free radicals that can damage your arteries. Think of free radicals as troublemakers that cause inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major contributors to heart disease. Berries help neutralize these troublemakers, keeping your arteries healthy and happy. Chapter 5. Now let's drizzle some liquid gold into our diet olive oil. This Mediterranean staple is a cornerstone of a heart-healthy lifestyle thanks to its abundance of monounsaturated fats. Just like the healthy fats found in avocados, the monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help lower LDL cholesterol and reduce inflammation. Make olive oil your go-to for cooking, salad dressings, and even dipping bread. Chapter 6. Time to go green. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses that deserve a starring role in your diet. They're packed with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow. Plus, leafy greens are loaded with fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and keeps things moving smoothly in your digestive system. Chapter 7. Whole grains, fiber up for artery health. Let's talk about grains. But not just any grains. We're talking about whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. These fiber-rich grains act like little sponges in your digestive system, soaking up cholesterol and helping to flush it out of your body. By lowering cholesterol levels, whole grains play a crucial role in preventing plaque buildup in your arteries. Chapter 8. Green tea. Sip your way to cleaner arteries. Let's take a break and sip on some green tea. This ancient beverage is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to improve artery function and reduce the risk of heart disease. Green tea catechins work their magic by protecting your arteries from damage, reducing inflammation, and improving blood flow. So, put the kettle on and enjoy a cup or 2 of this heart-healthy brew. Chapter 9. Garlic, the pungent protector. Don't turn your nose up at this pungent bulb. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and modern science is backing up its heart-healthy benefits. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clots. All of these factors contribute to a healthy cardiovascular system and clean, happy arteries. Chapter 10. Pomegranate's antioxidant powerhouse for artery health. Last but not least, let's end our journey with a juicy and delicious fruit, the pomegranate. These ruby red gems are bursting with antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Pomegranates have been shown to reduce arterial plaque buildup, improve blood flow, and lower blood pressure. So, sprinkle some pomegranate seeds on your salad, enjoy a glass of pomegranate juice, or simply savor this fruit on its own. Outro: keep those arteries clean. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, incorporating these artery-cleaning foods into your diet is a delicious and easy way to show your heart some love. Stay healthy and take care of your heart.